From the tallest skyscrapers that define our cities, to the bridges that connect millions, from the cars we drive to the railways that move the nation, steel shapes the strength and progress of India. Today, as India invests billions into infrastructure, highways, ports, metro networks, and smart cities, the demand for steel is not just growing, it's exploding. This rise is creating a golden era of opportunity for entrepreneurs and investors who want to be part of India's industrial transformation. Starting a steel business isn't just about trading metal, it's about powering the country's future. It's about being part of the supply chain that builds our homes, our industries, and our dreams. Whether you start as a steel trader, distributor, or fabrication unit owner, the potential is massive. Steady demand, strong profit margins, government-backed growth, and a market that never sleeps. So if you've ever dreamed of building something solid, something that grows with the nation itself, this is your chance. Let's dive into how you can build your future with steel. Alright, so here's what we'll cover in this video. We'll talk about the target audience for your business, dive into market research and analysis, including the market growth data. We'll also discuss your marketing and sales strategy, financial planning with a cost breakdown and profit margins, and of course, funding and investment options. We'll touch on company incorporation and legal requirements, the supporting documents you'll need, and finally, how Market Research Universe, or MRU, can help you start and scale your steel venture. Stick around with us, as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. Target audience. The steel business in India actually caters to a pretty wide range of customers and partners. This includes entrepreneurs entering industrial trading or manufacturing sectors, construction and infrastructure developers, automotive and machinery manufacturers, hardware shops and fabrication workshops, regional steel distributors and wholesalers, exporters catering to international demand, and even investors who are seeking long-term, asset-based industrial opportunities. So if you're looking for a business that's resilient, scalable, and absolutely vital to India's progress, the steel business is, honestly, a solid choice. Market research and analysis. India is currently the second largest steel producer in the world. And demand is growing really rapidly. According to recent data, the market size in 2025 is projected at $115.4 billion. And by 2032, it's expected to reach $172.8 billion. That's a compound annual growth rate of 5.9% during 2025 to 2032. Some of the key growth drivers include massive infrastructure development under projects like highways, metro rail, and industrial corridors, as well as government initiatives such as Make in India, the PLI scheme for specialty steel, and the National Infrastructure Pipeline. There's also rising automotive and machinery production, which is boosting steel consumption, and strong export potential. India exported over 8 million tons of steel in financial year 2023 to 24. Major players in the market include Tata Steel, JSW Steel, SAIL, Jindal Steel and Power, and ArcelorMittal Nippon Steel India, but there's definitely room for MSMEs and regional entrepreneurs in trading, processing and warehousing too. Marketing and sales strategy. To succeed in the steel business, your brand should stand for reliability, strength, and quality. So, here's how you can market and sell effectively. First, highlight product certifications like BIS and ISO 9001 to build trust. You should partner with builders, contractors, and manufacturing units for direct business-to-business sales. Also, join trade platforms like IndiaMart, Trade India, and Just Dial for wider visibility. Don't forget to participate in industry expos such as India Steel Expo, Build India, and Steel Mint events. And of course, use digital channels, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Google Ads to connect with industrial buyers. In this business, relationships and supply consistency are everything. If you deliver quality, your clients will keep coming back. Financial planning and profit margins. The steel business is, honestly, pretty flexible. You can start small or scale big. For a trading or fabrication setup, the estimated investment ranges between 10 to 50 lakhs, depending on your scale and location. Here's the breakdown. Business registration and legal setup will be around 2,000 to 15,000 rupees. Shop or office setup might cost you 50,000 to 2 lakh. Warehouse or storage space could range from 1 to 5 lakh or even more. Machinery and tools are about 2 to 15 lakh or more. Initial stock and inventory will require 5 to 20 lakh or more. Labor and staff might cost 30,000 to 2 lakh per month. Transportation and logistics are typically 50,000 to 3 lakh. Marketing and branding could be 10,000 to 1 lakh. And for working capital for 6 months, you'll need 2 to 10 lakh. So, yeah, the total investment is about 10 to 50 lakhs. Profit margins generally range from 15 to 25% in trading and 25 to 35% in fabrication or processing. The typical break-even period is 2 to 3 years, and the business offers long-term stability and growth. Funding and investment options. To fund your steel business, here are the best options available. First, self-funding or partnerships are ideal for small traders or distributors. Then, there are MSME and Startup India loans, which offer low-interest loans for industrial ventures. The PLI scheme for specialty steel provides incentives for domestic production. SIDB and Mudra loans are great for working capital and machinery setup. If you're looking at medium-scale expansion, private investors and bank financing are solid options. For entrepreneurs targeting global markets, export credit and Exim bank schemes can be really helpful. Government initiatives like Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat are actively supporting local manufacturing and infrastructure, making this, honestly, the perfect time to enter the steel sector. Company incorporation and legal requirements. Before you begin operations, it's important to register and comply with legal requirements. Recommended business structures include a private limited company for scalability and external funding, LLP or partnership for medium-scale operations, and sole proprietorship for local or trading setups. Mandatory registrations include GST registration, UDIM or MSME registration, factory license, Pollution Control Board (ENOC), Import-Export Code for export business, BS certification for product quality, ESIC and EPF registration if you're hiring employees, and a trademark for brand identity. These steps ensure smooth operations and compliance with government norms. Supporting documents required. You'll also need key documents like promoter's ID and address proof, company incorporation papers such as MOA, AOA, or LLP agreement, lease or ownership documents of your premises, pollution and environmental clearances, factory license and utility connection certificates, your business plan and financial projections, and quality control and product testing reports. How Market Research Universe can help. Starting a steel business requires strong planning, accurate data, and compliance readiness. And that's where Market Research Universe, or MRU, can help. MRU provides our services: real-time market research and competitor intelligence, customer segmentation, go-to-market strategies, marketing campaign strategy, business plan, pitch decks, and financial models, business registration, regulatory compliances, and documentation.
So if you are an aspiring entrepreneur, a working professional, a student, or anyone who want to start your own business or startup, or maybe you are interested to build your second income source in your life, but you are confused about the business idea, because there are a lot of business ideas. So which business to select actually, and also understand the market fit, then this video is for you. Now, did you know that 90% of startups fail within 1 to 3 years? Okay, now why this is happening? And I am not telling about that India, but globally also more than 90% of startup fails within 5 years. One of the main root cause, one of the main reason that this is happening is actually not understanding the market fit. Okay, so founders start their startup without doing proper market research. They are actually starting their business blindly. They actually doing gambling. Is basically a gambling they are doing with their with their career, with their time. Now time very much important, because if you are not doing proper market research, understand the feasibility, understand the market fit, if you are starting, then For that case, your time is you are wasting, because it will not going to happen for a long, and then you are failing. So then the time you are already invested for that period, then the time will never come in your life. So time is very much important. Okay, so that's why it's now you have to understand that which business, and it's need to be proper market fit, market feasibility understanding, and then you should start your business. Your business will only work if your passion or interest, your skill set, and market fit, these all three attributes align, then only your business will work, otherwise not for a long time. I know many of you is recognize it is like ikigai model. Yeah, you are right, it is ikigai model. But how many of you are able to apply this ikigai model in your life, in your business, to get success? Very few. So that's why what is the gap is going on is the execution this model in your this model in your life, in your business. So that's why I personally came to solve this out and execute your business within just 30 to 45 days. Okay, so I'll sit with you, I'll find out that what exactly your interest, your passion, and your skill set, and I'll, being a market research expert, I will find out the best market opportunity, and then we'll discuss on that to find out the strategy, find out the blueprint to launch that business within 30 to 45 days. So hi, my name is Mridul, and I'm the founder of Market Research Universe, and having more than 80 years experience now in this market research and business consulting. I'm also a mentor, so I run a program called Pharaoh Program in market research and business consulting. So till the time, I have impacted more than 1,000 individuals through this program. And apart from that, I'm also author. I written 2 books. One of the book is Entrepreneurship in Independent Market Research and Strategic Digital Marketing. This book is got cited as one of the textbook or reference textbook in various colleges. Also, just to inform that we got awarded that as most comprehensive market research consultancy and training academy by Acquisition International, and recently we got featured as India's top market research mentor consultant in various media houses. After successfully running my startup Market Research Universe from last 5 years and mentored more than 1,000 individuals, I have created a platform called MRU Navigator. Now, this is India's best and world's first real-time market research platform for startup ideation, business planning, pitch deck creations or development, GTM, go-to-market strategy, and launching. This all in a centralized platform. Okay, so through this platform, you will get more than 500 startup ideas. The number will keep continue increasing, and more than 5,000 business niches. Okay, and of course, through this platform, our plan is to give you a proper one-to-one mentorship, also to understand your interest, passion, and your skill set. And through this platform, we'll figure out the best business opportunity, understanding the market trend, and accordingly we'll find out the best business that's suitable for you. So now make it very clear that we are not a typical business consulting firm here. We are a hand-holding consulting partner driven by real-time market research to launch your profitable and market fit business. Okay, so let's understand how this solution going to work for you exactly. So you have 3 steps. In the first step, you have to book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm going to sit with you. It's going to be a one-to-one consultation or mentorship, and understanding your interest, your passion, your background, your skill set. And then after that, being a market research expert and business consultant, I'm going to find out the best market opportunity, understanding the market trend, understanding the future market forecasting, and then find out the best profitable business that's going to work for you, so that it will be a long-term business for you, okay, with a 100% success. Okay, and that also within 30 to 45 days. Okay, after that, in the second step, we're gonna work on that, on the execution part. So we're gonna first work on the business planning, creating the MVP, understanding if there is any government schemes or government grants are available, then we can get that. Or if you will get any investment, that also we're gonna help on that. We're gonna work on that. And then after that, of course, the GTM strategies, go-to-market strategy, and definitely we're going to launch that, right, successfully. And in the third step, we're going to keep continuing with your, branding, your marketing, and your growth. So if you really want to take control of your life and start your own business or maybe a second income source, then don't overthink. This is the right time. Don't delay much. Just take your first step. Book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm gonna make sure that you're gonna launch your business within 30 to 45 days. So see you on the other side.